Hello everybody. So in this tutorial you will learn how to add or edit references in LaTeX document, and how to change or format reference styles, and how to use Google Scholar to add additional references or edit references. So this tutorial is about basically we are going to use Google Scholar for finding and explaining the procedure about editing or adding references. So if you have not subscribed to channel, please subscribe to my channel for more technical videos. So let's start. So I am assuming that you have document and now you want to add references or edit references. So let's start. So you need to use certain command for that purpose. I am starting here. First you need to use package, that is package and net bib. So use this particular package. Yeah, so let's go to Google Scholar to find some references. Let me search some reference according to my topic, what I am researching actually. So you can choose according to your requirement. So let's choose this reference, copy it from here, and you can use any text editor to creating or generating .biv file. Suppose I am using this notepad, and save it as yeah, you need to keep in mind the extension .piv, that should be your extension. You can give any name and .piv. So choose some location in your computer and save this file as you can give any name. So let me choose some name like reference.piv. So you save this document, you can close it. Yeah, so also you need to save this document also, whatever the document you are working on. So it should be the same location where your references exist. So let me save it as, yeah, you can give any name. So just the sample document. Yeah, so this was the first reference you already saved in .biv file. So this contains all the information including the key. So I am copying the key from here, and yeah, and use this command like cite and the particular key. So you can change this key in .biv file itself and use the key accordingly, or you can keep it the similar whatever default is provided by Google Scholar. So apart from this, I also need to give two more commands at the end. First I need to specify the location of bibliography database file, that is .biv file, in this case what you already saved. So use this command bibliography and specify the name of the file where all your database exists. So I have done a typo mistake, so let me see the name and copy from there. So I have saved it on desktop. Let me go to desktop and reference example. So this was your file, you earlier saved it. So copy it from here, and I mean copy the name from here and just paste it here and run it. So I missed one more command, which is basically the style of your bibliography. So you can have multiple bibliography style, or I mean out of multiple style you can choose one of the style, and you can search these style from internet and can use it. So for example, I am going to use just a simple plain style, plain nat. So let's see how this work, and I will also show you how to change it and how you can organize your references properly. So earlier when I ran it, it was showing that this file was missing. So let me run it again. Yeah, so the references already there, like 2019. So yeah, so this way your reference, you can organize your reference or add or edit references. So I will also add how you can change this formatting, because this is 2019. Suppose I want to it 1 2 3, I will also explain that. Before that, I will explain how you can add more references. So I am going to follow the similar procedure what you have done earlier. So this time I will search some reference and copy it, and I am going to copy this reference. This is proceeding reference, so I am going to copy in the same bibliography database after the particular references which already exist there. So let me go to reference. Yeah, so you can open it using some text editor, or you can directly open it, and also you can open it in text studio also and edit it there. So I am just double clicking on it and editing there itself. So this was the already existing reference. Now I need to add second reference, that is I just copied from Google Scholar. So there is a key, basically I need to use this key. So copy it, just go to your document, and you can add the reference. So for example, this is the second reference. So there is typo mistake, but it's okay. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, so here is your second reference, but there is year is missing. So let's see what was the mistake, because if you are copying something Google Scholar, you need to edit certain aspect of it sometimes, because it's not perfect all the time. So here the year is missing, that's why the year is not coming there. So you can go back to your BibTex database file, and it has also shown the warning that year was missing. So and go to BibTex database and just edit it the year or whatever the change you want to make. Now I am explaining very quickly how you can add another reference, and then I will tell how to organize them in different styles. So this is pretty straightforward and very quick procedure. And so when we add some reference, so we need to delete the already existing auxiliary and one more file that was below. I will explain that in next step. So so here three references are there. So I have added these three references. Now these are in this format, so I will tell you how you can organize in proper 1 2 3, that generally followed by most of the journals or thesis. So how you can do that? So that is about just the reference style. You can search on internet. So let me first tell you how you can do it in 1 2 3 format instead of this kind of year. So you have to just add some argument here in this package itself. So let me add numbers. So I will also add one more argument, and I will explain what is their purpose later. So here your 1 2 and 3 already came, but it's 1 3 and 2. We are going to see why this happens and how you can modify it properly. So let me go to reference style. So these are your all three references in 1 2 3 format, but here the sequence is missing like 1 3 and 2. So let's just change this bibliography style so that it should come in proper formatting. So let me use some other style, or you can play with different style and you can experiment it. So I am using this UNSRT style. So Yeah, so this I was telling, you need to delete these two files if you add or change the reference style or something. So then run it again. Yeah, there were some warnings, but overall it is good, like 1, 2 and 3. So these three references I have added and they are coming in proper format now. So overall you have to use this line, and also here I have added one argument, sort and compress. So this is very important. Basically there are two purposes. Earlier I have not included sort and compress, but you can see if you include this you will get this kind of reference 1, 2, 3, but with sort and compress you will get this kind of combined reference 2, 3. Like you can experiment with yourself and get the idea overall what it is doing with and without it. And also total 3 command you need to use. One is that and 2 are this basically overall. So this is pretty simple and a straightforward procedure, and you can have your own references, you can experiment with the different style, and that's the overall from this tutorial. And I hope you like and learn something from this tutorial. So you have properly organized the references. Yeah, so that's all, and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much.